Hello everyone. Welcome to our latest episode of Programmers Lab podcast. We have Salil Chitnis with us today. Salil is program manager here at Nitor Infotech. His primary role is ensuring customer success and customer retention. Welcome Salil. We are so happy to have you here today.
Thanks Astha. Thanks for inviting me for such a nice initiative.
So Salil, you have been a huge part during the formulation of Nitor's Triangle of Digital Transformation. So first question is, why was there a need felt for it?
Okay, so it was a very nice question to start with. So to give you simple answer to this, it's a survival thing for them. Organizations now wants to be competitive in today's digital world, else they will be soon out of the race. So everyone is focusing on couple of areas like saving costs, increasing efficiency and productivity, and most importantly innovations. Companies now do understand that they want to survive. They cannot run away with the technology. Hence, they are working towards tightly interacting their business strategy with their IT strategy. So we had a research around it, okay? And during our research, we researched almost 150 plus manufacturing organizations around us, and we realized that the companies are struggling to ensure the right technology adoption considering their business strategy and the impact an organization which they need to achieve. Believe me, Astha, there are only 3% of the companies who have created their IT roadmaps, and this is so small number that that's the point where we felt that they need the help, and it is important that we look at the formulation of the roadmap from holistic perspective, which includes various parameters based on three core pillars which we have are people, business and technology. And this is the point where Nitor's digital transformation triangle was born.
Okay, understood. Moving on, so Nitor Infotech CEO Sanjeev recently wrote a blog in which he spoke about defining a digital operations roadmap. How does one go about creating it?
Yeah, Sanjeev has thrown a light on the various aspects of it, and I recommend that everyone must read it as well as watch the video where he has explained this concept very well. So creating a digital roadmap requires careful planning and collaboration across different departments and stakeholders in the organization. So there are some steps which we follow while we create that. So very first is assess the current state and identifying the areas where they need to improve. Okay, so how we do that? So this generally involves conducting audits through their existing technology infrastructure, processes, workflows, as well as gathering a feedback from employees and customers and some other relative stakeholders. Second is understanding their vision. Companies actually should define their digital transformation vision, which should be aligned with their overall business strategy and objectives. Now this vision should be smart. When I say smart, it should be specific, it should be measurable, achievable, relevant, and it should be time bound. Third important point is we check their priorities and understand their prior investments. So companies should prioritize the digital initiatives that will have the greatest impact on achieving their digital transformation vision. This can involve identifying quick wins that can be implemented in short term as well as long term initiatives that will require more resources and investments. Understanding the existing investments of the company in terms of business, technology, people is very important to ensure faster acceptance. Majority of the initiatives fail because of the lack of acceptance. And the fourth important aspect is developing the roadmap. Based on the priorities, we then develop a roadmap that outlines the specific digital initiatives they will undertake over the next 1 to 3 years basically. The roadmap includes timelines, milestones, key performance indicators to track progress and ensure the accountability. Using these steps, we create comprehensive and actionable digital transformation roadmap that helps them to achieve their digital transformation vision and stay ahead of the competition.
Thank you for that information, Salil. You can read the blog that Salil spoke about titled What is the Triangle of Digital Transformation on our blog site blog.nitorinfotech.com. So Salil, how do we bring all the angles of the triangle people, business, and technology in the right way towards digital transformation?
Okay, very nice question, Astha. So, as you know, our triangle of digital transformation is based on three key elements. First is people, technology, and business. So, let's see one by one. Okay, so people is the first step of creating the digital transformation roadmap, because we need to identify them who will be involved in this process. This may include executives, managers, and other stakeholders from different departments within the organization. Even customers sometimes we do consider. These people will work together to identify organization's goal and develop the shared vision for digital transformation. Then comes technology. Once people are in place, the next step is to identify technologies that will enable organization to achieve their digital transformation goals. This may involve assessing the current technology infrastructure, identifying the gaps which needs to be fulfilled. The organization may also need to invest sometimes in new technologies, sometimes in tools, some new platforms that will enable it to automate processes, improve some efficiency, and better customer service. And then comes the business, the final element. Okay, the process is business itself. This involves developing comprehensive understanding of the organization's current operations, identifying the areas where digital transformation can make biggest impact. This may involve analyzing the data, assessing customers' needs, and identifying opportunities to streamline the processes and improve efficiency. And there is some connection between all of them, which Sanjeev has explained in his video. So business and people gives you radical thinking, business and technology gives you transformation, and people and technology gives you innovation, which is based on the experimentation. Now, if you observe Nitor's triangle carefully, there is a one centerpiece or a core which is sitting there, and which is very important is data. Data plays a very critical role in digital transformation process by connecting people, technology, and business together. Here is how data is related to three key elements. Okay, so data and people. Data helps people to make informed decisions that drive digital transformation. People can use the data to understand customers' behavior, identifying trends, patterns, optimizing operations. However, to achieve this, people must be trained in the tools and techniques used to collect, manage, and analyze this data. Then comes data and technology. Technology enables companies to collect, store, analyze vast amount of data. You are very well aware that this is a big data world. Okay, so providing valuable insights that can be used to drive digital transformation is very important. However, to achieve this, technology must be designed to handle big data and integrate seamlessly with their existing systems. And then comes data and business. Data is the key driver of business transformation, providing the insights that help companies to optimize their operations, reduce cost, and increase revenue. So overall, data serves as the glue that connects people, technology, and business in the digital transformation process. By leveraging data to inform decision making, optimizing operations, and driving innovation, companies can achieve significant gain in productivity, efficiency, and growth. Using these aspects, we can create a comprehensive digital transformation roadmap that leverages people, technology, and business with data to achieve their digital transformation objectives.
Well, that was quite an information, Salil. So what happens next?
Or you mean post roadmap development?
Yes.
Okay, so once it is developed, the actual journey starts. Okay, so there are very important aspects where companies should focus. First is they need to allocate the resources, including their budget, talent, technology, to execute the digital initiatives which we have outlined in the roadmap. Then it comes implementation of those initiatives, and this is where actually Netos come into picture, where we help our customers to implement those initiatives. And these digital initiatives they involve investing into new technologies, hiring digital talent, and training employees or new processes and workflows. And then finally monitor and adjust. This is the final step, is to continuously monitor and adjust the digital transformation initiatives based on the feedback and performance data. This involves conducting regular reviews, assessments, gathering feedbacks from employees, customers, and making necessary adjustments to the roadmap wherever it is needed.
Thank you so much, Salil, for such a brilliant insight on the triangles of digital transformation.
Thanks, Asta. Thanks for having me here, and it was wonderful discussion with you.
And for our audience, we hope you enjoyed our podcast with Salil today. Learn more about us at www.nitorinfotech.com and follow us on our social media platforms. Thank you.